Hello and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sadia Mazhar, and today I'm going to give you some explanation about how Bluestack works, what it looks like, and what are its benefits. So first of all, I will be discussing a bit about Bluestacks, that what it is. Bluestacks is an Android emulator, or in simple words, an Android apps player that runs latest Android version. It gets updated on its own. It's an open source app that you can use on your laptop. It runs Android apps in the same way like you use Android apps on your Android phone. It requires 4 GB or higher RAM and Core i3 or higher processor to run smoothly. Now I will be discussing a bit about its interface. As you can see that there is a home screen with some apps that I have installed from Play Store. You can see them from here. Bluestack uses Play Store account to operate it, and you can sign it in as many Gmail accounts as you may want to. So how to find out Play Store? Simply go to your system app and find Google Play. Now I am going to open an app just for setting an example that how it is working. Here is the return button to go backwards, so I will be clicking it. Here I am. Now I will be clicking on one of the famous video development apps which basically does text animation, and I often use it on my own phone as well. So I am using my mouse and I am clicking on it. I am doing the double click just like I do on my laptop. So here it's opening up. Now see, I am using my own keyboard, and for example I am typing A, B, C and D. And then I am clicking on the tick mark button. Then I am going to play the play button here, and it will show me another screen just like it shows me on my laptop, on my phone. Then there are some effects for text and for background. So for example, if I want to choose this or this or this or this or whatever I may want to, there are several effects for the text here. For example, I am choosing this and turning it into a video later. Now I am going to choose a background text from here. For example, I am choosing this one, and see, it's over here. It's showing you the animation and the exact time duration that each clip takes. Usually it is of probably 3 to 4 seconds, so you can see that. Now I am clicking on this button, so you can see over here it is asking me to save as video. So this is an ad basically which I am turning off, because these ads often appear on free apps, so you can see that. Now I may want to see the video that I've created, so what I am going to do, I will be going back to my home screen. Instead of closing this app, I am going on my home screen, and here I will be finding again system app. I can click it once, then I will be opening media manager, and then here you can see that there are some options in these tabs. So I will be clicking on the video, and if I don't want to do that, I can simply keep it over here, so you can see there is my video. Now it's asking me how to open this video, so I will be using one of these apps. I don't want to use X recorder, so I am closing it. So I will be going back to the media manager, and here I can see this again. So this video is over here with some effects that you can see, and it's appearing in the same way like your pictures and videos appear on your phone gallery. So you can see that, and I am clicking on this right now. So what it's doing basically, it's loading the video. The right click or left click don't work on this app, so you have to be very much careful. Anyways, due to some reasons I could not play the video since I did not have a video player installed on it right now, but I can install any video player, for example VLC player, and I can show you how. For example, I am going to the Play Store again, and here you can see that the exact interface is just the same like it's on your phone. So it's probably asking about who should sign it in. So here is a bit of the processing that you can see right now. Now it's asking me to enter my credentials. So here I am. Uh-oh. Okay, we just skip this part and we just close it. Now let's go back to the home screen, and I want to tell you that Bluestack uses your laptop storage for saving data. You can also access the files from Windows Explorer by going into Program Files where x86 is mentioned, and then locating for folder containing files. This app uses your laptop I/O devices, as I've mentioned earlier, to take or give you input and output. So how it works, I can show you a bit like this. For example, I am clicking on the media manager again, and there are two options on my left side. One is import from Windows and second is export to Windows. So if I ask the computer device, so if I click on the option, I get this on my screen. You can see that. And if I click on this, I get this option with dim effect. So what it has done basically, it has copied all my content on my Windows. Now if I want to check that, I will be going to the Windows Explorer, and here I can see some options where the content is. So for that I go to my C drive, I go to my programs, x86, all the programs are available. Then I will be locating Bluestacks, and here it's the second folder. Then I can see that there are some folders here and some files as well. So I will be locating my assets that where they are. Okay, so nothing is over here. We have to find out that where the documents have been saved. Anyway, I will figure out that later, but the purpose of telling is that you find the hidden files that are apparently not visible in an app in this way. You locate them from program files or wherever they are stored on your laptop, and then you find them. Now you have found that there are so many benefits of BlueStacks. So I wanted to discuss some benefits of this awesome app. To be very honest, it's really beneficial and very much supportive for every individual out there, and even a naive person like me can use this app like a pro. So I wanted to tell you that I started using this probably since 2013 or 2014 when it was launched. And there is another benefit, and which probably you didn't notice, that I mentioned earlier as well. You are running Android apps on it the same way like you're running Android apps on your phone. So there is no difference at all in that sense. And as an Android developer, BlueStacks is the best platform to test or run an app when you don't own an Android phone, or even if you do, but you have to test it some way or the other. BlueStacks is the best platform in that sense. The Android system gets auto updated, so you get hands-on experience on every version of Android. It's an open source app, which is a good news obviously, which means that you don't need to pay for it. So thank you for watching this informative video on BlueStacks, and I hope that it will be beneficial for you in the future. So inshallah, in the future videos we will come up with a lot of learning material that will be available on our YouTube channel. So please subscribe our channel for more informative videos, and let's learn, relearn and unlearn. See you next time. Thank you for watching.